So here we have to given the distribution function f of x is equal to 0 for x less than 1, equal to 1 by 2 plus x minus 1 for x lies between 1 to 2, 7 by 8 plus x minus 2 divided by 8 for x lies between 2 to 3, and for equal to 1 for all the values greater than or equal to 3. That is, decomposes the given distribution function and find the mean and variance. Okay, so how to decompose it? That is the formula for decomposition, that is f of x is equal to alpha into f d star of x plus 1 minus alpha into f c star of x, where f d star of x is purely discrete and f c star of x is purely continuous, and where alpha is equal to summation of pr, and where pr is nothing but the jump value. Okay, so how to draw the sketch of given PDF? Sorry, CDF. Okay. So here we are taking the values of 1, 2, and 3. So this is the values of x and the values of f of x on y-axis. Okay. Then here we have to draw the sketch of given distribution function. For the value of all the values which is less than or equal to 1, the value of f of x is equal to 0. So here we have to starting the point, that is x is less than or equal to 0. Then for x is equal to 1, for x is equal to 1, that is 1 minus 1, 0, the value is 1 by 2. So here we are taking the value 1 by 2. Okay, for the values of x, f of the values of f of x is 1 by 2. Then if we substitute the values of x is equal to 2, if the substitute the values of x is equal to 2, the value is 7 by 8. Okay, value is 7 by 8. Okay, so for the value is 7 by 8, and for all the values x is greater than or equal to 3, the values is 1. Okay, so now here equal to, but if we substitute x is equal to 2, then we have to get the values is for 1 to 2. For 1 to 2, here we have to get, for x is equal to 1, it gets 1 by 2. But for if we substitute 2, then 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4,
6 by 8.
3 by
6 by 8.
3 by 4.
3 by 4.
that is 3 by 4. Okay, so for 1 to 2, 1 by 2, then here we have to get the 3 by 4. Okay, then for x is equal to 2, the values is 7 by 8. Okay, then so for x is equal to 2, the values is 7 by 8. But for 2 to 3, if we substitute x is equal to 3, then 7 by 8 plus 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 8, that is 1. Okay, 1 7 by 8 plus 1 by 8, that is 8 by 8, that is 1, and for the all values greater than or equal to 3, that is 1. Okay, so for all values greater than or equal to 3, it is 1. Okay, so how many number of jump points? That is, there are two number of jump points. Okay, so this is P1 and this is P2. Then what is the value of P1? P1 is equal to P1 is equal to P1 ची value काय आहे?
1/2.
How to obtain the jump point?
1/2.
1 by 2. And what is the value of P2? What is the value of P2? Tell me answer fast. What is the value of P2?
1/8.
1 by 8. Because of if we obtaining the jump point, that is higher value minus lower value, 7 by 8 minus 3 by 4. 7 by 8 minus 3 by 4. If we multiply by numerator and denominator 2, that is 6 by 8. 7 minus 6 divided by 8, that is 1 by 8. Therefore, value of P1 is equal to 1 by 2, P2 is equal to 1 by 8. Then what is the value of alpha? Alpha is nothing but the summation of Pi, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8. So is equal to किती आहे? Alpha is equal to
5/8. 5/8.
5 by 8. Therefore, alpha is equal to 5 by 8. Then here we have to obtain f star of x. How to obtain the f star of x? Yes. कसं करतो आपण f star x find out? बोला पटकन. अरे बाळांनो, मी काहीतरी क्वेश्चन विचारलाय तुम्हाला. बरं, f x कसं फाइंड आउट करतो? fdx कसं फाइंड आउट करतो?
One upon alpha into FD star of x.
हा
1 upon alpha into FD star of x.
then how to obtain fd star of x?
Alpha into FD of x.
f d star of x is equal to 1 upon alpha f dx is equal to 2 into f d of x.
If the value of alpha is equal to 1 by 2, then we have to obtaining the fd star is equal to 2 into fd of x. Okay, but here the value of alpha is changed. Here alpha is equal to 5 by 8. Then how to find?
Alpha into f d of x.
Therefore, fd x is nothing but the, here we have to obtain the value, that is summation of pi. Okay, therefore fd of x for discrete, the value is summation of the pi. Therefore fd of x is equal to 0 for all the values x is less than or equal to 1. Then सगळ्या x is less than or equal to च्या व्हॅल्यू साठी व्हॅल्यू किती आहे त्याची, तर 0. फॉर 1 to 2 मध्ये नंबर ऑफ जंप पॉइंट्स किती आहेत? हियर वी हैव टू गेट the 1 by 2. Therefore equal to 1 by 2 for 1 is less than x is less than or less than 2, and which is equal to 1 by 8, which is equal to 1 by 8, that is all the values which is greater than or equal to 2. But here we are to getting the summation of pi which is equal to 5 by 8. So for all the values which is greater than or equal to 2, so we are to getting the values 5 by 2, that is for all the values greater than or equal to 2. So this is nothing but the fd of x. Now fd star of x, which is equal to 1 upon alpha into fd of x. 1 upon alpha into fd of x. What is the value of alpha? Alpha is equal to 5 by 8. Therefore 1 upon alpha is nothing but the 8 by 5. Therefore fd star is equal to, if we multiply by 8 by 5, then here 0 for all the values which is less than or equal to 1. If we multiply by 8 by 5, then we have to get the value 4 by 5 for 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2, and equal to 1 for all the values greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so this is nothing but the fd star of x. Then how to obtain the fc of x? How to obtain the
Sir.
fc of x?
ते 5 by 8 आहे ना, ते थोडस परत एक्सप्लेन करा.
कोणतं?
x is x is greater than equal to 5 by 8 घेतला ना, ते नाही समजलं.
हे ना ऍक्च्युली आपण एफडी ऑफ एक्स फाइंड आउट करताना आपली प्रोसिजर काय आहे, हाऊ टू ऑब्टेन द एफडी ऑफ एक्स, दॅट इज एफडी ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू 0 फॉर म्हणजे x ची व्हॅल्यू जी पहिली लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू x1 असते, दिसतंय ना, x ची व्हॅल्यू लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू x1 असते, दॅट इज x इज लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 0 इक्वल टू p1 for x1 is less than x is less than x2, then which is equal to p1 plus p2 for x2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to x3 and so on. आता इथे आपल्याला दोनच नंबर ऑफ जंप पॉइंट्स भेटलेले आहेत, therefore we have to get the first value 0, then p1 plus p2. So similarly we have to obtain fd of x 0 for x is less than or equal to 1, 1 by 2 for 1 to 2 and 5 by 8 for all the values greater than or equal to 2. Okay?
हा समजलं.
And how to obtain the fc of x?
fx minus fdx.
F of x minus fd of x. मग काय त्याच्यावरून सांगा. So f of x minus fd of x for 0, so equal to 0 for all values less than 1, then 1 by 2 plus x minus 1 divided by 4 minus 1 by 2, so which is equal to x minus 1 divided by 4 for 1 is less than or equal to x is less than 2, then 7 by 8 plus x minus 2 divided by 8. किती आहे?
x by 8.
X by 8. Therefore, x by 8 for 2 is less than or equal to x is less than 3 and equal to for x is greater than or equal to 3. All values greater than or equal to 2, 5 by 8. म्हणजे 2 पेक्षा जेवढ्या व्हॅल्यू साठी ज्या व्हॅल्यू असतील त्या सगळ्या व्हॅल्यू साठी fd ऑफ x ची व्हॅल्यू काय असणार आहे? 5 by 8. आता हा x is greater than or equal to 3 आहे. So 1 minus 5 by 8, that is this is nothing but the 3 by 8 for all values x is greater than or equal to 3. So this is nothing but the fc of x. Okay, then we have to find out the value of fc star of x. How to obtain the fc star of x? That is 1 upon 1 minus alpha into fc of x. So which is equal to 1 upon 1 minus alpha. 1 minus alpha is nothing but the 3 by 8. Okay, therefore 1 upon 3 by 8 is nothing but the 8 by 3. Therefore 8 by 3 into fc of x. So is equal to, if we multiply by 8 by 3 into fc of x, for x is less than 0, what is the value? 0 for x is less than 1. If we multiply by 8 by 3, then here we have to get the 8 by 3 into x minus 1 divided by 4 for 1 is less than or equal to x is less than 2. Then here we have to get 8 by 3, that is here we have to get the x by 3. समजताय ना? हॅलो, या प्रत्येक व्हॅल्यूला काय करायचंय? 8 by 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. If we multiply by 0, 8 by 3 it becomes 0. Then here we have to get the 8 by 3. So here we have to get the 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we have to get the 2 into x minus 1. 2 into x minus 1 divided by, sorry, 3. Okay, if we multiply by here, yes, 8 by 3. So 8 gets cancelled here. We have to get the x by 3 for 2 is less than or equal to x is less than 3. And here we have to get the value 1 for all values greater than or equal to 3. Okay, समजतंय का? एक लक्षात ठेवा, तुम्ही बोलत चला, तुम्ही बोलल्याशिवाय मला समजणार नाही की तुम्हाला अंडरस्टँडिंग होते की नाही इथे. काय डाऊट असतील तर लगेच विचारत चला. समजले का इथपर्यंत?
हो सर.
Okay,
हो.
so here we have to get the value of fd star of x in and fc star of x. Therefore, f of x is equal to alpha into fd star of x and 1 minus alpha into fc star of x. Okay. Then what is the final answer of f of x? Therefore, here we have to getting the value of fd star of x is equal to for 1 to 2. Here we have to get the value 4 by 5. If at x is equal to 1 the value किती आहे? X is equal to 1. If we substitute x is equal to 1, then we have to get the value is 4 by 5. So therefore fd star of x is equal to 4 by 5 for x is equal to 1 साठी. For x is equal to 1 साठी, x is equal to 2 साठी व्हॅल्यू काय येईल? x is equal to 2 साठी व्हॅल्यू काय येईल?
1 1 आहे.
हा, किती येईल x is equal to 2 साठी?
वन आहे.
फॉर ऑल व्हॅल्यूज ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 2 साठी 1 आहे. बरोबर आहे. But we have to getting the by the definition of probability. By the definition of probability, summation of pi is equal to 1. बरोबर ना?
हां.
Therefore 1 minus 1 4 by 5 किती येते? So is equal to 1 by
1 by
5.
5.
X is equal to 2. At point x is equal to 2. Therefore, f star of x is equal to 4 by 5 at x is equal to 1 and is equal to 1 by 5 at x is equal to 2. Similarly, fc star of x किती येईल फॉर 1 to 2 साठी किती आहे फॉर 1 to 2 साठी किती आहे all values less than or equal to 1 साठी व्हॅल्यू 0 आहे ओके फॉर x is equal to 2 साठी किती येईल मग व्हॅल्यू ती फॉर x is equal to 2 साठी व्हॅल्यू किती येईल x is equal to 2 साठी किती येईल व्हॅल्यू
2 by 3.
therefore which is equal to 2 by 3 for x is less than 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2 and for 2 to 3 साठी किती येईल 2 to 3 साठी किती येईल
1 divided by 3.
1 by 3 for 2 is less than or equal to x is less than 3 therefore fd star of x and fc star of x then we have to obtain the value of fx of x is equal to alpha into fd star of x plus 1 minus alpha into fc star of x okay so you can find the value of mean and variance that is expected value of x and variance of x एक का फाइंड आउट करता हेलो I might ask you question. You can find the value of mean and variance. Yes. एल का फाइंड आउट करता काय असते समजा आता या आपल्याला गिवन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शनची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायचे हे जे गिवन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन आहे ह्या गिवन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शनचे आपल्याला काय करायचे एक्सपेक्टेड व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायचे म्हणजे एक्सपेक्टेड व्हॅल्यू ऑफ fd स्टार ऑफ x and expected value of fc star of x fd star of x काय आहे purely discrete fc star of x purely continuous मग ती व्हॅल्यू कशी फाइंड आउट करणार एक्सपेक्टेड व्हॅल्यू ऑफ fd of x that is 1 into 4 by 5 plus 2 into 1 by 5 म्हणजे डिस्क्रीट साठी आपण काय घेतो समेशन x into p of x ओके डिस्क्रीट साठी आणि कंटिन्युअस साठी काय घेतो इंटिग्रेशन ओव्हर x f of x dx into f of x dx that is so 1 to 2 2 by 3 and for 2 to 3 1 by 3 okay एल का फाइंड आउट करता सगळ्यांनी कॅमेरे चालू करायचे आणि मीन आणि व्हेरियन्स ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायचे विदिन 5 मिनिट्स जर समजलं नसेल तर विचारू शकता
कंटिन्युअसचं सर परत सांगा
कंटिन्युअस साठी आपण काय करतो की इंटिग्रेशन ओव्हर x into f of x dx ओके मग त्याप्रमाणे इथं काय आलेलं आहे fc स्टार ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 2 by 3 व्हॅल्यू आहे फॉर 1 to 2 साठी ओके आणि 1/3 व्हॅल्यू आहे 2 to 3 साठी. मग त्याचं इंटिग्रेशन कसं येईल? देऊ सॉल्व्ह करून. सॉल्व्ह करून द्यायचंय की सॉल्व्ह करताय?
मग ते प्लस करायचंय का? 1 to 2 साठी एफ एक्स काढायचा आणि 2 to 3 साठी वेगळा काढून त्याचे ऍडिशन करायचे का?
हा
कंटिन्युअस
पण
करताना.
काही जास्त सायमल्टेनियसली दोन्ही एकाच वेळेला प्रोसेस करू शकता तुम्ही. काही जास्त मोठं इंटिग्रेशनची व्हॅल्यू येणार आहे असं नाहीये. बोला पटकन, सॉल्व करताय? श्रद्धा, श्रद्धा पिसाळ,
येस सर.
सॉल्व करताय?
सर तुम्ही जरा तिथून सरकता का? ब्लॅकबोर्ड दिसत नाही पूर्ण.
ठीक आहे, आता ह्याची दोनचीच गरज आहे आता आपल्याला. एफ डी स्टार ऑफ एक्स अँड एफ सी स्टार ऑफ एक्स. If you have to possible, then please turn on your camera. Follow the instruction, all the students strictly. काय ते एक्सपेक्टेड व्हॅल्यू ऑफ x अरे बाळांनो काय ते एक्सपेक्टेड व्हॅल्यू तरी सांगा. व्हेरियन्स ची व्हॅल्यू नंतर फाइंड आउट करा. एक्सपेक्टेड व्हॅल्यू काय ते तर सांगा. एफ ऑफ एक्स एवढा वेळ लागतो का?
Six by five.
काय करायचं आपल्याला? एक्सपेक्टेड व्हॅल्यू ऑफ fx of x is equal to alpha into expected value of f star of x plus 1 minus alpha into fc star of x. So which is equal to, so here alpha is equal to 5 by 8, therefore 5 by 8 into here f star x is nothing but the purely discrete. So for the purely discrete variable, we can find the value in terms of summation. Therefore, x into p of x. So 1 into 4 by 5 plus 1 into 4 by 5 plus 2 into 1 by 5. So this is nothing but the expected value of f star x. Then 1 minus alpha into f star of x. 1 minus alpha is nothing but the, that is 5 by 8. That is which we have to get the 3 by 8 into expected value of . expected value of fc star of x. Here we have to find out the expected value of fc star of x, that is for the 1 to 2 integration over 1 to 2 x into f of x dx, that is 2 by 3 into dx plus integration over 2 to 3 x into 1 by 3 dx. Okay, so which is equal to 5 by 8 into 4 by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 8 into 2 by 3 into integration for x dx, that is x square by 2 for 1 to 2 plus 1 by 3 into x square by 2 for 2 to 3. Okay, so 4 by 5, 4 plus 2, that is 6 by 5, therefore 5 by 8 into 6 by 5 plus 3 by 8 into 2 by 3 into 2 square, that is 4, therefore 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 nothing, 3 square 9, that is 9 by 2 minus 4 by 2. So which is equal to 5 gets cancelled, 6 by 8 plus 3 by 8 into 2 by 3 into 4 minus 1, that is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into 9 minus 4, that is 5 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled, 3 gets cancelled, so which is equal to 6 by 8 plus 3 by 8 into 1 plus 5 by 6, so which is equal to 6 by 8 plus 3 by 8 into 6 plus 5, 11, 11 by 6. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 6 by 8 plus 11 divided by 16. So which is equal to, make the denominator same, that is 12 plus 11 divided by 16. So which is equal to 23 by 16. Okay. समजलं का? किती ते व्हॅल्यू, therefore expected value, that is mean value of given distribution function is 23 by 16. Understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? आता कोणतेही एक्झाम्पल सॉल्विंगला दिले तर एक का सॉल्व करता?
हो सर.
बोला.
Sir.
Yes.
ते एफ सी एक्स आहे ना, ते एफ एक्स मायनस एफ डी एक्स करतो ना आपण, ते एफ एक्स ऑफ एक्स, ते जरा स्टेप सांगा एफ सी एक्स ची.
त्याच्यामध्ये काय करायचंय, एफ एक्स मायनस एफ सी ऑफ एक्स करायचं, म्हणजे गिव्हन डिस्ट्रीब्युशन फंक्शन मधून जे आपण एफ सी ऑफ एक्स ची व्हॅल्यू कशी फाइंड आउट करतोय, तर 1/1 मायनस अल्फा इनटू एफ सी स्टार ऑफ एक्स. ओके, त्या काय त्याच्यातून फक्त काय करायचं, प्रत्येक व्हॅल्यू साठी चेक करायचं. प्रत्येक व्हॅल्यू साठी चेक करत असताना आता गिवन रेंज काय आहे, x लेस दॅन 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 आणि x इज ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 2. आणि इथं आपली लास्ट स्टेप काय होती की ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 2 ची होती, बरोबर आहे, जे वॉश करायच्या अगोदरची. मग x इज ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 2 साठी असताना आणि इथं काय आहे लास्टला x इज ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 2 सॉरी 3, x इज ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 2 असेल, ऑब्वियसली ती x म्हणजे 2 पासूनच्या प्रत्येक व्हॅल्यू साठी ती व्हॅल्यू काय असणार आहे, तर x 1 मायनस आपण किती घेतलेली होती, दॅट इज 3/8, 1 मायनस 5/8 दॅट इज 3/8. त्याप्रमाणे काय करायचं की fx मधून fc ऑफ x काय करायचा, सबट्रॅक्ट करायचा. प्रत्येक इंटरवल साठी ती व्हॅल्यू काय करायची, सबट्रॅक्ट करायची. ठीक आहे, f ऑफ x फॉर x लेस दॅन 0 दॅट इज सॉरी x लेस दॅन 1 0 फॉर 1 to 2 साठी काय ती 1/2 प्लस x मायनस 1/4 मायनस fc ऑफ x. ओके, समजलं का?
फॉर्म्युला मध्ये कसं दिलं, fx
काय ते आवाज ब्रेक होतोय तुमचा.
सांगा त्याचा.
आवाज ब्रेक होतोय. ठीक आहे, नंतर कॉल करून
सांगा
विचार.
हो.
Now you can find the value of variance of x by using the formula expected value of x square minus expected value of x bracket square. Okay, give attendance.